Kohlrabi, a versatile cruciferous vegetable resembling a turnip, is packed with nutrients that offer numerous health benefits. Its unique blend of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants supports heart health, boosts the immune system, aids in digestion, and promotes overall well-being. Adding kohlrabi to your diet can enhance your nutrition and contribute to a healthier lifestyle. Here are 10 health benefits of kohlrabi. Rich in nutrients. Kohlrabi is a good source of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, and manganese. High in fiber. It is high in dietary fiber, which aids in digestion, promotes regular bowel movements, and helps maintain a healthy gut. Boosts immune system. The high vitamin C content in kohlrabi strengthens the immune system, helping the body fight off infections and illnesses. Supports heart health. The potassium in kohlrabi helps regulate blood pressure, while the fiber content can help lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Aids in digestion. Fiber in kohlrabi promotes healthy digestion by preventing constipation and supporting a healthy gut microbiome. Regulates blood sugar. The fiber content helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and prevent spikes. Supports healthy skin. Vitamin C in kohlrabi plays a crucial role in collagen production, promoting healthy, radiant skin and protecting against free radical damage. Enhances bone health. Kohlrabi contains calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K, which are essential for maintaining strong bones and preventing osteoporosis. Promotes healthy vision. The carotenoids in kohlrabi, such as beta-carotene, support eye health and help prevent age-related macular degeneration. Enhances brain health. The antioxidants and nutrients in kohlrabi support cognitive function and may help protect against neurodegenerative diseases.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like it, subscribe, and hit the bell button, because you'll get notified when we publish the next video. I'll see you in the next one.